Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bicardo. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any important update. Now let's get on the video. Before I recommend any hosting provider, I run it through the same 4-point checklist because hosting reviews online are full of vague praise and not enough actual scrutiny. Today's subject is Bluehost, one of the most recommended WordPress hosts out there. Let's see if it actually holds up. My checklist for any host is simple. Is it actually built for WordPress or just hosting it as an afterthought? How hard is set up for someone with zero technical background? Is the pricing upfront or hiding something? And is the security and support actually solid? Let's go through each one. First, is this actually built for WordPress or just hosting it like any other file type? Bluehost is one of the few hosts officially recommended directly by WordPress.org, which isn't a random badge. It reflects that the infrastructure is specifically optimized for how WordPress runs, not retrofitted after the fact. That matters in practice. Things like server-level caching tuned for WordPress specifically, and a dashboard genuinely designed around managing a WordPress site rather than a generic hosting control panel. Check when passes, with real substance behind it. Second, how hard is this to actually set up? Bluehost walks you through installing WordPress automatically the moment you sign up. No manual downloads or separate tutorials required. From there, you pick a theme and customize through a drag-and-drop editor or WordPress's own page builder. Zero coding required. Want to sell products? It integrates directly with WooCommerce. Moving from another host, there's migration support to bring your site over instead of starting from scratch. Check 2. Passes. Genuinely beginner-friendly. Third, is the pricing actually straightforward? Bluehost runs a few shared hosting tiers, typically Basic, Plus, or Choice Plus, and a higher Pro tier. Entry level is a few dollars a month on longer terms, bundling a free domain for year 1 and free SSL. Higher tiers add unlimited websites, more storage, and daily backups. Here's the honest part of this check. Like almost every host in this space, the renewal price after your first term goes up, and that's clearly shown if you actually look, but it's easy to miss if you're rushing through checkout. Check 3. Passes on transparency if you actually read the page, but pay attention to that renewal number. Fourth, security and support. Every plan includes a free SSL certificate and, depending on tier, domain privacy and malware scanning. Automated backups mean a bad plugin update doesn't erase your work. Support runs 24/7 through live chat and phone, which matters most the first time something actually breaks, and you need someone who understands WordPress specifically, not a generic script reading agent. Check 4. Passes. To be fair, a couple of honest notes. The website building tools aren't as flashy as some newer AI-driven builders on the market, so if you want a highly custom design fast, expect to spend more manual time in the editor. And again, watch that renewal pricing. It's disclosed, but it's on you to actually check it before committing long-term. Final tally. Built specifically for WordPress, genuinely easy setup, transparent if you read it pricing, and solid security and support. 4 out of 4 with the caveats above noted honestly rather than glossed over. If you're building specifically on WordPress and want a host that actually passes this checklist instead of just looking good in an ad, grab Bluehost through the link in the description. It can get you a discount, and it also helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment letting me know your own experience with Bluehost. And if you want more of these checklists run on other hosts and tools, hit subscribe and tap that bell icon. Thanks for watching Bicardo. Catch you in the next one.